begin to lightly tap your forehead. Whatever fingers you are called to tap your head with. Do not think. Simply feel. Allow. Release. Let go. And just begin to tap your whole head. There's no specific way. Just allow yourself to tap away any sorrow, any stuckness, any pain. And just tap in any way you're called. There's no right or wrong. It's simply just being and doing a simple tapping with any fingers you're called. Whatever way. Focus on a rhythm you wish to work with. There's no right or wrong. It's just beginning to tap. There's no way. There's no one way. There's no way, really. It just is. Tapping. Okay, so as you are ready, we're going to begin with the sun. The sun presence in your heart. Beautiful sun radiance you are. Just start with the S-A-N, sun. Sun. Begin to play with the sun. You don't have to do it in one way again. Just play. Sun. 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 Feel what is best for you. There's no right or wrong way. Some people say a descending tone is going to purge meridian. Some say a straight tone will purge an organ. Sun. To clear your throat chakra level vortex. Sun. 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 Notice how my voice shifts, changes. It's not as beautiful. Sun. Sun. Tapping here stimulates your thymus chakra, your thymus gland. And it may be sore tapping there. So be gentle. Begin slowly. Create a rhythm. Sun. Bring that sun from the crown chakra level vortex, bringing that beautiful sun energy down through your crown chakra level vortex. Breathing it into your throat. Breathing it into the brow chakra. Breathing in all the brow chakra. Breathing into the chin chakra. Breathing in the upper lip chakra. Breathing in the sun. And focusing that energy down in through your throat. Clearing your throat of anything which needs to be opened and cleared. Bringing that beautiful sun energy down into your heart. And that's what we're doing with this practice, is bringing the sun energy into and through our heart so that we can remember as a sun presence, our eminence, our radiance, our presence of our sun, which we already are here now, our omnipotence, our omnipotence, our omnipresence of our great Son, which we are, our Holy Spirit, our whole Holy Spirit, our whole soul, in our Son, in our heart center. So that's what this exercise is helping you to accomplish, is to bring Son. I am Son. Son. Use the Son to open your throat, to expand your truth, to expand your expression of truth, to open you up to so much more. So allow this to be a new practice as you're called to play with it. It's not something to do all the time. It's something that I just created. So play with it and keep on exploring. Son. 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 At the end of exercises, I work with sound tone of descending and ascending. For example, Son. Play with this as much as you wish and just let yourself be more relaxed. Allow yourself to explore your body more, to expose your body more to nature. Of course, I'm not in nature right now. Today, we shared all day in nature, exploring, connecting, communing with our beautiful plant beings. And forest sauntering, forest bathing. And now I'm just sharing this beautiful energy with you because right here in this beautiful home I find myself in is a powerful vortex where I'm laying. So find somewhere which resonates with you to do any kind of spiritual practice you do. I work with sound healing. It's simple and it's effective. I feel it instantaneously in my body. I feel shifts. Of course, as you coordinate your breath with sound, it amplifies it as you bring color in, as you bring intent in, as you bring other things in. It's going to amplify it for you. So play with it, explore it, have fun. That's what it's all about. Sun. Breathe sun into your body. Sun. 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 Yay. Just play today. And as you're playing, bring greater awareness.